Hello everyone, this is Ramakrishna Gundipalli. Today we are going to discuss topic about team software process. So first, what is team software process? It is a group of individuals who work together to design, build, and maintain software systems or applications. The team software process serves a roadmap for engineering teams developing software-intensive products by using TSP business may develop an exacting engineering approach that produce software that is trustworthy and save more quickly and less money. With the aid of the team software process, which provide a defined operational process software, teams of managers or engineers can plan projects and create software products ranging in size from small projects with several thousand of lines of code to very large projects with more than 500,000 lines of code. Uh, Team software projects objective is to increase output and quality. Uh, in TSP, it is a practical how to implement of the principles and best practices that the SE has a champion since its establishment. Moreover, TSP integrates several concepts not found in other uh, uh, engineering approaches. Large software services interact frequently on the performance of individuals or teams. Defects and use late delivery are common problems in software engineering since they may run projects and quickly, as with the team software process concentrating on both individual and team performance is essential to obtain with quantable outcomes and more. Uh, so why teams are necessary? Since the success depends on the ability and knowledge, it play vital roles in each team member skills and knowledge, significant impact on the team final results. So teams now work together to solve problems in order to build high quality software, and the best team are increasingly those get along with one another. Multidisciplinary teams member will typically approach problems from many angles, which are highlight underlying assumptions. Uh, so moving on to history of the team software process in 1990s, it was developed. It was early started, and in 1993, Wat Sumbry introduced TSP in the software field, and in late 1990s, TSP Pilot conducted a program with several organizations to refine, and you can see the growth of the team software process in the next rest years. Like 1996, in 2000 you can see the TSP industry. In 2007 you can see the CMMI integration, and in 2007 you continued the evolution, and in 2020 we're going with integration with agile practices. So what conditions for a team work needed? A minimum of two individuals make up a team. Everyone is aiming for the same object. Everyone has a designated role to finish the job. The group members must rely on one another in the same way. So Interdependence in teamwork boosts individual and team performance. The social context fosters enhanced team performance, making more than some of their parts. And here is the structure process flow of the TSP. Members must complete PSP training before a you can see here members the PSP training team in order to acquire the necessary knowledge and abilities. Plan generation process, data visualization, earned value planning, project monitoring, quality management, and process establishment are all covered in this program. To take part in the TSP activities, you must first finish the course Team Building TSP Enter on a 4-day team launch, which participants work together to create the project's plan and procedure, which they carry out the project. Here is the launching of the TSP. First, you need to establish, then you need to assign the roles, produce development strategy, build top down and next phase plans, develop, build bottom up and balanced plans, conduct risk assessment, prepare management, hold management, perform the launch and new team process review. So here are some features of the TSP. First one is a feedback oriented, which means that in order to pinpoint areas that need improvement. And next is quality. It places a strong emphasis on creating software in the error-free meets that user need, that user are required. And next is contingent. The development process is divided into smaller, more manageable chunks that may be finished gradually, and a metric based and procedure focused and a team oriented. These are some features of the team software process. And moving on to the effective teams, mm, uh, here are some of the characteristics. It is so significant, well defined, apparent, and adorable. The tool is necessary to complete the task. The team members are driven and committed to achieve the objective. Members must collaborate with one another. Team members work with the discipline and building teams effective to create the circumstances. The members of the team identity responsible to set common objectives. They need to have some plan of action and to establish a standard operating procedure. Members converse openly and frequently. They need to carry out their planned task as intended. The engineer receive feedback on their work, are aware of their standing and supported to drive their leadership. And here are the top 10 softwares in 2020. Asana, Motion, Teamwork, Rike, Smartsheet, Jira, HubSpot, Oracle, NetSuite, Monday. So we came up with Asana tool. Asana is a management, is a platform work management and a software service team collaboration that may create projects, assign tasks and deadlines, and communicate with one another directly using Asana. Asana is also a similar task and project management applications that enable teams to plan, organize, coordinate, and finish tasks. It divides work into manageable projects and provides tool for sharing files, monitoring progress, and setting deadlines. It is a contemporary solution for a team and client cooperation in task and project management. So from here, my friend Venkat will continue the rest. Thank you.